Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly Rahman and I have been doing these daily vlogs recently. Today's vlog is going to be a cooking vlog because I'm about to do some cooking and I thought, you know what, let me just film this for you guys. It's going to be a Bengali fish curry. The fish is called Mirga Maas in Bengali. It's a Bangladeshi fish that I bought from our local halal grocery store. So yes, what I'm going to do is show you guys how I cook this fish curry. There's so many different ways, by the way, that you can cook a fish curry, but this is one of my special ways that I used to cook at my in-laws, and I'm actually really craving for it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need a handi, you're going to need some oil, any type of oil will do, like vegetable oil, sunflower oil, whatever you guys use, even olive oil. You're gonna need some onions. I don't have any fresh onions, but I have some frozen onions that I've got from Asda. You are gonna need some garlic, which I've already cut up. You do need you can add green chilies, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna add some bazamoris instead. You need some bay leaves, which is tezfata, salt. I'm also going to add some phosphorone, which are 5 spices, and it's got all these like little bits of spices in there. And I'm going to cook it with potato, so I peeled and cut up the potato and they're soaking in water right now. And I'm going to also show you how I prep the fish, which is very important. So first of all, let's get you guys closer. Right, so we're gonna add some oil, and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't need too much. Let the oil heat up slightly, and whilst it's heating up, I'm gonna add the phosphorone. Now I'm only gonna add a little bit, like about a teaspoon of phosphorone, not even. I'm also going to add the garlic and the fukmoris. You just want to turn these brown. Add the onions. So I'm only cooking 2 pieces of fish, so you won't need a lot of onions. So I would say about 2 onions would be enough. Add the salt, and I'm gonna add about this much, which is 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm also going to add the tezpata. And I had some frozen tomatoes in my freezer, so I'm gonna add the tomatoes now. what you want to do is cook the onions really well until they're golden brown and mushy. And I'm going to cover this up on medium gas. Okay, so whilst the onions are cooking, I am going to prep the fish. So this is what the 2 fish pieces look like. So what you want to do is basically descale the fishes, because these fishes have scales on them and it's so easy to descale them. So this is what the scales look like, and what you want to do is just bend them to the side and pull them off, and they just come off really easily. That's one fish piece done. I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay, so that's all descaled. What I'm going to do now is cut the fish. You will need 2 items to cut the fish. One is a sharp knife and the other one is a mallet that looks like this. So if you have a fish piece that is shaped like this and it's small, what you can do is cut it diagonally this way and diagonally that way, and in that way you have 3 pieces. If it's really big, what you can do is cut it this way and then cut it straight this way. So it depends however you feel like cutting it, to be honest. But yeah, I'm going to do it this way because it's just easier, because the bones are really hard. And if the bones get in the way, like it is right now, what you do is get the mallet and just whack it a few times and it should cut like so. So this is your piece. There, we're done. So with this piece, you can either leave it like this or you can cut it in the middle like so. I might just leave it like this because it's not a biggie. And I'm going to do the same here. You will need some salt, so I just get a pinch of salt and put it on the fish, and then I'm just going to literally mix the salt into the fish really well. And you can leave this for a bit before you wash it. But this fish looks really nice and clean and proper fresh. So you get cold water, you wash it with cold water, guys, and you just wash the fish, and it's easy as that. Right, so today for my fish curry, I am going to fry the fish, pre-fry the fish before I add it to the curry. So what you want to do is add a little bit of oil, make sure that all the water's been drained, and add a small amount of salt, so about half a teaspoon, and you also add a little bit of turmeric powder, so haldi or oloid, half a teaspoon. What I'm going to do is give this a really good mix. So you're basically marinating the fish. And I've got a pan here at the back. Let me show you. So I've got a pan here and I'm gonna add some oil. Not too much. I'm gonna shallow fry the fish. Let's check up on the onions. So the onions are looking really good. What I'm gonna do is get a potato masher and literally mash all the onions up so they're proper dissolved, not dissolved, like, you know, mushy. This just speeds up the process. Okay, I am going to add the spices to the onions whilst my fish is being fried. Let me put the gas down a little bit. So we're going to add turmeric powder, which is always half a tablespoon. We are going to add some chili powder, morita powder, about half a tablespoon as well. Some dhania powder, which is coriander powder. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon, and zira powder, which is cumin powder. I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of that, maybe a little bit more. So I'm gonna give that a really good mix. Right, I'm going to add some potatoes to the onions and spices, and I'm also going to add some hot boiling water to it to make the jhul, the shira, not too much. Put the gas up really high and let the potatoes cook. And let's cover it up now, and my fish is looking really good. By the way, it smells really nice. Yummy. Okay, my lovelies, this is what the onions and potato is looking like. It is looking really nice. The spices are cooked really well, and it's ready to add the fish. The fish is all fried. So what I'm going to do, there's a little bit of oil left as well here on the, well, whilst I fried the fish, so I'm going to add the oil as well. Just gives it that extra aroma. You want to be really careful at this point because the fish can break quite easily. So whilst you're moving, like when you're trying to mix it, you mix on the outer edges like so. Or if that's difficult, what you can do is pick up the handy and just mix it like so. What I'm going to do, because I don't have coriander, I'm going to add an alternative. So I have these dried leaves. They're called kasuri methi leaves, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the top just to like garnish it, and it will give this nice aroma as well. And what I'm going to do is leave it on low gas and let the whole thing come together. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It smells so divine. Let's pray my Zuhr namaz first, and then I'm going to eat. Okay, finally I can sit down and eat this. I'm like so excited to tuck in. By the way, in our culture, I'm Bangladeshi, British Bangladeshi. In our Bengali culture, we eat with our hands. I've cleaned my hands, so I just thought I'd let you guys know beforehand. It smells so nice. It's really hot. The rice is piping hot. Oh my god, the potato is really soft. I love it when the potato is so nice and soft. Just gonna get some fish. I love that jelly bit to the fish towards the end. It's perfect. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillah wa ala barakatillah. Oh my god, that's so buff. That's actually really nice. Oh my god, I have been craving for this curry for the longest time, man. You guys don't understand. This is so nice. You guys have to try this recipe. Honestly, you will be mind blown. So nice. I think I should give some to my sister. She would love this. And it's like the perfect spiciness. It's not too hot and not too mild, and I love that. It's so nice, honestly. So anyways, today what was I saying? Today I haven't gone out the house, which means I've done no spending, which is amazing. And also, oh yeah, I'm collaborating with an app called Cherries. So I've made an order with them. They've given me £50 worth of free goodies to order. So I can't wait to show you guys what I ordered. I bought a bunch of cleaning products, obviously. Yeah, my battery is running really low, guys. So nice. Yeah. They have a book লাগছে বালা দিকে একটা book লাগছে আর মাছরে মলান আলাদা বিরান করলে অত মজা লাগে আনা বিরান করে রান্না যায়. You can cook this without frying it as well, the fish, by the way. Did I tell you that? So anyways, guys, hope you guys liked today's video, today's vlog, cooking vlog. Also let me know in the comments if what you think of Bengali fish curries, if you like them or not. And also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. খুব মজা হয়েছে, খুব মজা, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, বেশি মজা হয়েছে. খালি গোসা গলত লাগাইও না গাইজ, গোসা গলত লাগাইলে সমস্যা আছে, শালো প্রবলেম হইব গলাত.